Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is going to be the news trading because I think there is a US data out. So if the data is good, we may move. The market may move in one direction. If bad, is another direction. Okay, before we proceed, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose and use your information entirely at your own risk. And you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trades. Okay, with that, we proceed with our live trades and live analysis. Okay, do take note that the key data that is going to be out is at another 30 minutes. We will be getting just core retail sales month on month and US retail sales month on month. Okay, both are expected to be 0.3 and we also have an Empire State Manufacturing Index which is expected forecast is negative 0.3. So in fact for the last 2 days the data has came mostly as expected. Even the CPI and the PPI, the figures came out to be all as expected. And because I think the dollar strength has been quite persistent uh, for quite some time, so we are expecting the market to turn up soon. Okay, because we are not sure whether this is going to happen tonight or next week. Okay, but certain markets have has already given us a turn. Okay, now what we are going to do is, okay, we have keyed in a few orders and we are trying to buy gold. Okay, we're trying to buy gold at 2562 half. Okay, for those of you who are just come in, if you want to take a screenshot and just want to key in, okay, you may do so. Otherwise, you just, if you feel you don't want to trade, then you may want to just monitor the trade and see whether this happens as we expected or as we trade. Then we have the gold buying at 2562 half, stop at 58 half, and TP at 77. And the condition is we need to see a break of to 73. Okay, it's 2573, and right now this market is trading at 70. So if the data is bad, we expect this gold to go up. Okay, but we are not sure how bad it is, but this eventually this market should go up. Then we also have a buffer entry. That means in the event, if let's say this has got stopped out, then we may want to do a re-entry at 2,555 and try to exit at this level. Then dollar yen, we have selling at 156 156 hold on, 15605, and then stop at 15635 and TP at 15530. Then we have a pound buying order at 12635, stop at 12605, followed by exit at 127, and euro dollar buying at 10535, stop at 1057, and 10610. Okay, let me key in these orders as well. Just give me 1 minute. I will key in the order. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good to go. Okay. Okay, next thing is we all this is going to be a pre-announcement trades. Okay, meaning we expect the dollar weakness to continue for dollar yen and the gold. As of the pound and euro are concerned, they are still flat, but got we have not got the market to turn up, but this is trading at critical levels. So now, how we are going to trade today is we wait for the data, and we will do post announcement. That means after the data is out, if we see the break, then we try to take the trade and go in, you know. So, and also we have only given trade in one direction. Usually we will give two directions. That means if the data is bad, what should we do? If the data is good, then what should we do? But we are only giving now, I mean, we have only given one direction, and the direction is we are expecting the dollar weakness. So the dollar weakness has been confirmed on uh, the gold, dollar yen, and dollar sing. Okay, let me share with you the analysis, so at least we can look into this. Okay, so if you see the 3 time frame, okay, basically we use in fact four time 3 time frame I think should be okay, more or less, we get the direction. Basically we use the 360 daily and weekly. So if you look into uh, just give me a minute. Okay, so if you look into the dollar yen, so if you see on the weekly, this is up. Okay, weekly is up, daily is down, and your 360 is flat. Okay, the flat meaning this is between the range 15525 and 15675. So that means basically what we are expecting is, since the daily is down below 15535, and right now this is trading at let me see, 15530. Okay, in fact we were trying to sell, looks like market has already turned down and rejected. So if that's the case, I think we need to put in a nearer level for dollar yen. Okay, because I think we put in 15605, so we got to put in a nearer level because the market has already started turning down before the data announcement. So what we will do is we will try to sell. Okay, the current 360 high is 15565, and current 360 low is 15520. Right now this is trading near the low. So let's see, we want to take this. Okay, we will try to put a sell at 15550. Okay, let's put in this trade. Okay, so then the other trade would be a buffer trade, because that is quite further apart. So here we would put in a sell at 15550 and put a stop at 75, and TP, if let's say this breaks, we should see one, yeah, 155 I think should be a comfortable level. Okay, put in this order also as well. Let me also key in. Okay, selling at 15550. 50. Okay, stop at 75. TP 155. Okay, we have put in that order as well. Then let's go back and see the euro, dollar, and pound. See whether we need to put in a nearer level. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, euro also looks like it's already turning up, and so is the pound. So, looking at this, we should be able to trade euro nearer level. Okay, put in a nearer level. $60. Stop at your 360 low is 60. Okay, so we can afford to put at 40. Then TP at 610. Okay, this is for euro dollar. Okay, then the pound also looks like this is also moving up, and your current low is 360 low is 12650. So if you put stop, then we try to buy at 65. Okay, let me see where is our. Okay, so this is going to be another order. One two six 60 40 and 127 10. Okay, then if that's the case, then the other order I think we need to lower it because this is quite close. So the other order will reduce it to hold on 30. Okay, I think we'll better cancel it. Okay, we'll cancel that order. So we'll only have one trade for the pound. So we want to buy at 60, stop at 40. Now I think we can put at 35 as stop. Okay, 35. So that is 25 pips risk. And TP at 12710. Okay, so we are trying to buy pound, trying to buy euro dollar, then trying to sell dollar yen, and trying to buy gold. Okay, gold has already, I think all has started moving. Yeah, gold is already 73. This is also, I think the market is starting to move before the data is out because I think the market is expecting a weak data. So most likely we should be seeing the dollar weakness to continue. So what we will do is We will, as of now, we will get ourselves prepared about 20 pips away from the market. Then, once the data is out, then I'll give a call to say whether go for a buy at the market, sell the dollar or sell the euro. Maybe we can take one or two at a time. We don't have to take too many trades. So here, okay, let me put this trade. Euro buying at 60. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay. So looks like we may not get the trade before the data, because the market is already showing that this is expecting a weak data. So what we will do is we will try to hit. Maybe we'll concentrate on. Okay, let me see which one to concentrate. Okay, euro is showing strength. Pound looks a bit weaker, and dollar yen looks quite strong. And let's see dollar Swiss. Okay, this is also showing a sign of uh, reversal. Okay, let's work all that thing, and what we will do is, can we try to sell a low risk trade? Try to sell dollar Swiss at 75. Okay, we all have to be very quick in our decision. Okay, we'll only take this at the market, because 88.95. This is only 20 pips, and 88.45. I put 40, 40, about 35 pips. Okay, so I think we are good to go. We'll try to sell dollar Swiss at 75, pound to buy at 20 pips away, euro dollar to buy at 27 pips away, and dollar yen to sell at 25 pips away. And gold, I think we won't be getting it because it's all already started moving, so we don't see the price moving. So the only chance of getting filled is either pound, euro, dollar, yen, and dollar Swiss. So I think we can go for the dollar Swiss selling. Okay, gold is out. I think the dollar yen, there is a chance. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, so let's discuss about the trades. So now what we are going to do is we are going to do a live trade during the data announcement, and we are expecting uh, the the retail sales to be bad, okay, or the other data, which is Empire State Manufacturing Index. So either one of this data should be bad, and we are expecting the dollar weakness, especially the uh, dollar yen, gold, and dollar sing. Okay, dollar sing is also another one. Then followed by euro dollar, and finally the other crosses. Okay, so these are the major. We feel that we may see some weakness or the correction to be starting. Okay, so any clue? So then what we will be doing is after the announcement, then I will tell you whether we are going to go for an add-on trade or any more trades. So as of now, we'll just key in these orders and just wait for the news. Then we will move forward from there. Okay, let me change the screen. Okay, so this is your order. We are trying to sell dollar Swiss at market. Okay, we are trying to sell dollar Swiss at the market. Pound euro dollar to buy about 20 pips away. Okay, let me change that euro also. Okay, euro pound. Okay, so let's wait. We have 7 more minutes. So while we are waiting for the 7 minutes, let's see any other protections we need to do. Okay, the euro and dollar yen looks promising, huh? Looks promising, and also so is the gold. Gold is also looks promising. So gold, I think I don't want to chase it because a bit risky. Gold, I think if it breaks, we should be able to see 85 and 91. So there is a long way to go for the gold. Ninety three 2602. See the gold, gold has got a good potential. Okay, let's see. I mean, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. We have another 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes to go. Okay, we have 3 more minutes. We have to wait. I mean, there's nothing much we can do. Wait for the trade. I think our dollar Swiss is filled. Okay, dollar Swiss is filled, and we are only holding one trade as of now. Then the others will just wait. Okay, 2 more minutes. Okay, let's excuse me. Let's see how this data comes out, and of course, we are expecting this market, not say market, the data to be quiet, softened bidding, either weak data or soft data. Okay, one more, 1 more minutes left. 45 seconds. 26 seconds. Okay, 5 more seconds. Okay, okay, like as I told you, we are expecting the data to be bad. I think it came out to be bad. Okay, now let's see. Let's see the pound. The 60, is it filled? Okay, let me see. The the core retail sales month on month is bad. Okay, but the retail sales came out to be better than expected. And Empire State Manufacturing Index came out to be also better than expected, because the market is expecting negative 0.3 but came out to be positive. So we have mixed data. Okay, let's see what order we got filled. Okay, dollar yen is filled, pound is filled, and dollar Swiss. Okay, we have three orders that is there. Okay, pound is filled, dollar yen was filled. Okay, because the problem is sometimes this price jumps so fast. Okay, dollar yen was filled, huh? So we have three trades that is filled. Okay, pound is a bit weak. Okay, I think we are getting a mixed data, no? Okay, the dollar strength is coming in, huh? The dollar strength is coming in. Okay, looks like we got stopped out on the. Hold on, huh? Okay, dollar yen we got stopped out. Sorry, not dollar yen. Uh, okay, let me see, huh? Okay, this euro buying 15535. Can you please cancel it? Okay, we'll see the yen and okay, the gold is filled. Okay, this euro, I think you try to close at market. You know the buying order. So we'll try to reduce it, so at least we don't get too much of risk. So we hold dollar yen. The gold was filled. Gold was filled. Then pound. Okay, let's see the the others. I think we will hold. Okay, we will hold. I'm not sure how many of you whether the dollar Swiss got stopped out. Okay, because it's just hit the level, you know. So for some of you may have stopped out. For some of you, you may have not stopped out. So let's see. Okay. Uh, so now we are holding gold long, dollar yen short, which is losing. Pound, I think also is losing about 17 pips. and dollar Swiss, and euro dollar we close at cost because we don't want to have too many risk and too much of risk. So let's see that the other. So this four trades we will try to manage it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go one by one. Gold. Okay, right now. Okay, let's see gold. So this is trading about 60, 64. So this is still within the range. Okay, this is still within the range. So I don't think we can see the weakness. So if you are long, we try to close at 65 half. Okay, try to close at 65 half. Better close it. Then at least we'll lock in the profit. 65 half or 66. Okay, this one we will try to close. Okay, I have closed it. So so let's see. Okay, this figure right now. What is the gold doing? Let me see. It's already 68. Oh, okay. So I think we better close it at market. Let's see. 68.80. 68 half. Okay, I think my screen is not updating. So we'll hold the dollar yen, we'll hold the pound, and we will hold the dollar Swiss. Okay, try to close the gold at 68. Even it's going 70. Just try to close at market. Okay, 69 half. Yeah. You try to close the gold. Okay, because the price is jumping here and there, so we got to be very careful. I don't know how much of you managed to get. Okay, we'll close at 68 half. Okay, gold, we are out. Okay, dollar yen we are still holding, and let me see. Let me see. Let me change the screen. Pound, this is trading near the cost. Dollar yen also near. So only the gold we managed to close at about 60 pips. So this gold we made money. Euro we closed at cost. Okay, euro we closed at cost. So now we want to do a re-entry. Okay, we want to do a re-entry. Let's do a re-entry trade. Then we will see. Okay, now gold. Okay, hold on. Let me see the dollar yen. Okay, we'll give another 5 more minutes. Then we'll see whether we can take 5 to 10 pips on this, this 2-3 trades. So we are waiting right now. This is still moving here and there. So let's see how we will try to close this trade. Okay, let me change the screen. Okay, maybe I'm not able to change that. Okay, let's see. Okay, dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss. I think we will try to close at 80. Okay, try to close at 80. Just take 5 pips loss. See, the thing is, when we do a news trading, okay, you all must understand that this is only a ad hoc trading. Okay, ad hoc trading, whatever we get it, we will see within the 15 minutes. And of course, after that, the sentiment can move on and move forward. Okay, so the yen, I think we also want to close at 40. Okay, just exit with about 40, just 10 pips. So then, and bring down your stop to 60. So at least, if it goes up, then we only lose. Uh, sorry, I want to change the screen. Sorry. So dollar yen, our stop reduced to 60. Then our TP is 40. Okay, then dollar Swiss, okay, is a very tight, so we'll try to take, it's okay, 5 pips loss, we'll take a loss. Then pound. Pound, I was saying, I think I suggest we close at cost. Okay, we'll close at cost. Let's do, then we'll reassess the thing. Okay, pound we close at 12660. Okay, try to close at 60. So only the gold, I think we made about 60 pips. Dollar Swiss, I don't, maybe some of you might have stopped out, but some of you might be holding the trade because of the spread, and this is a bit tricky, because we can't do much on this, right? So the and the dollar yen, I think we also close, and we close at profit. That means just about 10 pips. I think this is also filled. Okay, this just now it came out to 45. Okay, let's look into the screen, and let's see whether can look for any more opportunities. Okay, I think all all the trades were closed. Okay, so now let's reassess the market and let's start to put in new trades. Okay, let me see whether we have any open trades. Okay, we don't have any open trades. I hope you also closed. And the only trade we are working now is new trades. Okay, all our trades are closed. So we just made about gold only. We made about 60 pips, and maybe some of you maybe 30 or 40 pips, because I early on the market was moving fast. You know, in fact, I think I closed at 666. So I only did about 40 pips on that trade. Okay. So now let's reassess and start moving on, putting to the new trade. Okay, let's go back to the system. Okay, the euro looks like 105.65. There is a, and 1055, there is a strong support, and the gold is now is back into the range. Okay, let's see. So now what our trade plan is, since the data came out to be good, okay, what we expect is, we expect the thing to be in the range, and most likely, I don't know, unless the high or low breaks, then only we might see the strength coming into play. Otherwise, this is going to be a choppy trading. So euro dollar, now what we want to do is, we want to buy at 105.30, put a stop at 10505, and TP to be 10580. And because since the high is already registered, so we don't see the price moving beyond this until unless, you know, if the main markets comes into play, then we might see a big movement happening. So here we try to buy 105.30 or 35, just 5 pips, and stop at let me see what's the low. The low, current day low is 25. So we can put previous day low is 495. So maybe we can put at 510. Then exit at 580 or 85. And this one, the expiry is until 2330. Okay, the pound, we will try to put a buy at the previous day low is 12630, and current day low is 40. So we should be looking to buy somewhere near that level. So if you put an order to buy at 40, exit should be below 12680. Okay, let's see what is the, so if you ask me, the trade plan or the trade identifying, you know, so this is still in a range on the 360. So what we should be doing is, we should be looking to buy somewhere near 30, 35 and exit before 80, and that should be the your game plan. Unless, you know, if this low breaks, then we may see the price moving lower. So here we would want to put in another trade. And we can't do any momentum trade because the market is not moving anywhere. So if there is some movement, then, you know, of course we can take in the trade. But since there is it's not moving, so we might as well wait for better confirmation or more direction. Okay, So the dollar yen, as we expected, I mean, of course, we exited with 40. Right now, this is coming towards the low. So I think we have already missed this trade. Okay, we missed this trade. Okay, let me see here. Okay, so let me see. Yeah. Okay, what we will do for the gold, we will try to buy at 63 because it's also going to be a range play. So it's going to be a range play again. So we'll try to buy at 63 with a stop at 60 half and try to exit at 70. Okay, and the other way around, we are not seeing, okay, we are not seeing because the trade plan or the trade identifier says that this is going to be within the range until the price breaks 77, then we may go for a buy or lower, okay, which is 54. So this is going to be a range play, this is going to be a range play. So this is again, we can go for one more trade. I think that's it. And I don't think today we can do any momentum trade because the market is quiet and this is within the range. So here again, 2563. Then we will put a stop at 60. Then I think 68 or 70 should be idle, and this is also again, this is expiry is only until maybe to 1 hour, just 23. So for 1 hour we'll just put in this trade. I think that's about it. And I don't think we want to do any more trades for today because the reason being is end of the week and we may see the market a bit quiet. Yeah. So here, let me recap. Okay, dollar yen, we have an order to sell at 15630. If it fills, we take dollar pound, gold 42, dollar yen buying, and I don't think all this order will get filled. Okay, if it doesn't fill, then I think we cancel it. It's okay. So this momentum trade, we are trying to buy at 2563, stop at 60, 68. This is also a range trade play. And pound we are trying to buy a bit cheaper. Euro also we are trying to buy it cheaper, but again, this is expiry is only 1.5 hours. Okay, swing trading, I don't think this will get filled. This is also will be expiring soon, so I think nothing to worry. So only thing is we have to concentrate only on this three: gold buying, euro dollar buying, and pound buying slightly cheaper. Okay, so then the news trading, I think we did okay. Gold 60 pips. We lost about 5 pips on dollar Swiss, or maybe some of you the dollar Swiss may have got stopped out. Okay, but I'm not sure. But some of you, because of the spread, if the trade is there, then probably you may have closed at 5 pips loss. Then dollar yen we made about 10 pips. That's it. And the euro we closed at cost. So nothing much today for the news trading. So with that, I think I just conclude this today's session, and looking to see you again next week. Okay, next week we also have three sessions: Asian, Europe, and US, and we will be doing live trades, and we will be looking for opportunities, and we will be guiding you along. So always remember, when the market is there, we have to be make ourselves available and put in the trade. So, and also when the market gives you good move, then we capitalize on this. If you don't, then of course there's nothing much we can do. So you just monitor for maybe another half an hour, 1 hour. Then if you feel there is no, then I think you can just knock off, and we'll see you again next week. Okay, till then, have a great weekend, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.